I'm very impressed that all of you to come here very far on from the world. Okay, I'd like to thank you very much for coming here, for enjoying the life in Hanoi and in Vietnam in general. Hope to see you again, as Mr. Tai said, okay, in Hanoi or in some other in our countries. Okay, I hope you will good journey back to your family, and please give my best regard to all of your